everyone, welcome back to AI with Lilly. Today I'm doing something I know a lot of you have been curious about. I tested 10 AI tools for 7 full days, using them in real work, not just clicking around for 5 minutes and calling it a review. The goal was simple. Which AI tools are actually worth playing for? Because let's be honest, every company is calling their product game changing right now, but monthly subscriptions add up fast. I use each tool for content ideas, research, writing, editing, video planning, coding help, image for video generation, productivity, and day-to-day workflow. Some tools impressed me, some felt overhyped, and 5 stood out as tools I would personally consider playing for. So today I'm sharing the 5 winners that they are best for, who should use them, and where they still fall short. Let's get into it. Number 5 is ElevenLabs. If you create videos, podcasts, courses, ads, or faceless content, ElevenLabs is one of the most impressive AI voice tools I tested. The voices sound natural, emotional, and much less robotic than older text-to-speech tools. What I liked most is how quickly you can turn a written script into clean voice audio. For creators, this saves a huge amount of time. You can test different tones, voices, and pacing without re-recording everything yourself. It is especially useful if you make explainer videos, YouTube shorts, audiobooks, or multilingual content. I also like it that this can help creators who are shy on camera still produce polished videos. The downside is that you still need to write a strong script. ElevenLabs makes your audio sound good, but it will not magically make weak content interesting. Also, premium voices and heavier usage can get expensive. My verdict: worth planning for if audio is part of your content workflow. Number 4 is Runway. Runway is for creators who want AI video tools. I tested it for generating short clips, removing backgrounds, editing visuals, and creating cinematic style sent from prompts. This is not perfect Hollywood production, but it is genuinely powerful for social media creators, marketers, and video editors. Runway can help create visuals that would normally take hours or require expensive software. The best use case is not making an entire movie from scratch. It is creating B-roll, concept shots, mood visuals, and creative assets that support your main video. Where Runway struggles is consistency. Sometimes output looks amazing. Sometimes hands, faces, motion, or details look strange. You need patience and multiple attempts. My verdict: worth playing for if you create visual content regularly and understand that AI video still needs human direction. Number 3 is Cursor. Cursor was one of the biggest surprises for me. It is an AI-powered code editor, and even if you are not a full-time developer, it can be extremely useful. I use it to understand code, fix errors, build small tools, and explain that different files were doing. The biggest advantage is that Cursor understands your project content better than a regular chatbot, because it works inside your code editor. If you are a developer, startup founder, student, or some building websites and apps, Cursor can save serious time. It is like having a coding assistant sitting inside your workspace. But Cursor is not magic. You still need to check the code, understand what is changes, and test everything. If you blindly accept every suggestion, you can create new problems. My verdict: worth playing for if coding is part of your work, even casually. Number 2 is Perplexity. Perplexity became my favorite AI research tool during this test. When I needed quick answers with sources, current information, comparisons, or summary, Perplexity was fast and useful. What makes it different is that it feels built for research first. Instead of just giving an answer, it points you toward sources so you can verify the information. That matters especially when researching products, news, trends, companies, or statistics. I use it for video topics, competitor research, market questions, and fact-checking. It helped me move faster without feeling like I was completely guessing. The weakness is that your style have you read critically. Sources can vary in quality and summaries can miss context. But compared with manually opening 15 tabs, it is a huge productivity boost. My verdict: worth playing for if research is a regular part of your workflow. Number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT was still the tool I came back to the most. I use it for brainstorming, outlines, scripts, caption, strategy, emails, learning, summarizing, planning, and improving road ideas. The reason ChatGPT wins is flexibility. It is not just one tool for one task. It can help you think, create, organize, rewrite, analyze, and make decisions faster. For YouTube specifically, I use it to generate hooks, structure videos, rewrite intro, create content, calendars, and turn messy idea into clear scripts. It works best when you give it specific instruction, examples, and feedback. The downside is that it can sometimes sound generic if your prompt is lazy. Also need to fact-check important claims. But as an everyday creative partner, it is the most useful tool I tested. My verdict: worth playing for if you create content, run a business, study, write, or want a general AI assistant. So, my top 5 paid AI tools after 7 days are ChatGPT, Perplexity, Cursor, Runway, and ElevenLabs. The biggest lesson from this test is that the best AI tool depends on your workflow. ChatGPT is best overall. Perplexity is best for research. Cursor is best for coding. Runway is best for AI video. ElevenLabs is best for voice. Do not play for every skinny tool. Pick the one that removes the biggest bottleneck in your life or business. If you enjoy this honest AI review, like this video, subscribe to AI with Lily, and comment which tool you want me to test next. See you!